So right now we're here in SM Mega Mall and we're launching the Jetour T1 Lightning idea. The Jetour T1 Lightning IDM is an all-electric EV. The car has front headlights. It also has fog lamps. The car has a front grille. The car has rear combination lamps. The car is at the PHEV variant. The car has 16-inch alloy wheels. The car has a front side view mirror. The car has interior features, and televiewers say that the interior is stylish. The car has a meter cluster. The car has a touch screen, which the driver or the passenger can play music with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The car has USB wireless charging pads. The car has a cup holder. On the steering wheel, the car has cruise control. The car has AC controls. The car has a wireless start-stop system. The car has an automatic panoramic sunshade. The EV has luggage space, which the passenger can put luggage before leaving. The car has an engine that is powered by electricity. On the seats, it has seat belts. The Jetour T1 Lightning IDM comes in 5 colors. The exterior is night black, sand gold, khaki white, electro-painted green, and silver snow. And the interior comes with black and with orange stitching. We would like to invite everyone to test drive the Jetour T1 Lightning IDM. All you have to do is visit www.jetour.com.ph.